we got monetized on YouTube. Yes, we got monetized on YouTube! Yes. So I started back October 29th of last year, and I remember posting my first video.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I said welcome back. Sorry, I messed up.
I was like so scared to even start YouTube. We started, embarked on the journey together, and now we're here. Everyone say hi to Kingsley. Hi, Kingsley. First of all, I'm a travel and lifestyle niche channel, right? My channel is all about travel and lifestyle. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of The Vaugh Show. Today is a very, very exciting day. So guys, before we get started, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about how I got monetized on YouTube, okay? I was like so scared to even start YouTube because I was kind of like, I don't know how I feel about my, my presence being all over the internet. But I met my editor and he was like, you know what, I'm gonna help you start your YouTube channel. And so we embarked on the journey together, and now we're here. But I remember starting back October 29th, posted my first video. I got one of the guys from my job to edit my very first video before I met my editor, and we posted it on YouTube, and like it was like a hit. It was like a little hit, whatever. But before I even started my YouTube, but when I created my YouTube channel, the first thing I did was I was like, you know what? I want to get a head start, because when you first open your YouTube channel, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and you have to get 4,000 watch hours in a 12-month period. So I'm a planner, I'm a thinker, like I'm always focusing on like how I'm going to achieve my goals. That's just naturally who I am. So when I first realized that I had to hit that goal, I just started to strategize, like how can I hit both of those goals within 12 months? So as soon as I opened my channel, I literally took the link and sent it out to all of my family and to all of my friends. And even my family members who didn't like have a Gmail account, I literally helped them build a Gmail account so they can subscribe to my channel, right? That's the first thing I did. So like from family and friends, I got about 250 people right out the gate. Like literally. And a lot of times people were asking me like, well, why are you asking me to subscribe to your channel when like you don't have any content? So at that point, when I started getting that kind of feedback from people, I would give them like a coming soon date. So my coming soon date was October 29th. Oh, well, hi Kingsley, how are you? You guys, I'm Dog City, so don't mind Kingsley, he'll be in and out of my video today. He was laying down, I think I just caught his attention because he wants attention. But anyway, I got everyone to stick to my channel, to like it, make sure they subscribe to it, and that's how I got 250 people right out the gate, family and friends. And then I had those family and friends share it to other people. I would ask them like, if you could just share the link to other people. Once I got those people squared away, and I started asking those people to ask other people to subscribe to my channel and stuff like that. And this is before I even post my first video. Once I posted my very first video, then my introduction video, then I started asking people on my social media to like, share, subscribe to my channel. This is how I was getting my 1,000 subscribers. So at this point, I started with my Facebook. Now you guys know with Facebook, you can't add any random person, so be careful. I don't know how many times I went to jail through Facebook. 30 days here, 20 days here. Like, I feel like this is a free country. If I want to add some random person to my channel, I have a right to Facebook to add any random person to my channel. I have a right to do that. It's a free country, people. Anyway, don't get me started. But I've been in YouTube jail how many times? I don't know how many mugshots I got with them, but it's ridiculous. But anyway, I was dedicated to reaching out to people, asking them to subscribe to my channel. So I probably got like another 200 from them, 200 or 300 for them, right? Instagram, same situation. Like I like added a massive amount of people. I was telling them about my channel, and I wrote up a really nice little verbiage. I was like, hi, my name is Vaugh, YouTube creator of The Vaugh Show. My channel is gonna be about travel and lifestyle. We're gonna travel the world. And that was kind of like my intro to like, you know, getting my introduction to people, like to, on a personal note, to getting them to, you know, subscribe to my channel. Now granted, you're gonna have a lot of people who are gonna tell you no. That's just naturally the name of the game. People are gonna tell you no, but that's okay. You're gonna be rejected. It's fine. People are like, no, I don't want to be a part of this. No, absolutely not. I'm gonna waste my time. I don't want to subscribe. Blah, 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 blah. You're gonna get all of that, but it's okay. You just deal with it. You absolutely deal with it, and you keep pushing, because you have to keep in mind, you have a goal in place. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's all that matters right at the gate, right? And so once you get that process in your mind, this is me giving you my own personal wisdom. Once you get that energy and that flow in your mind of like, I'm going to hit these 2 goals no matter what. Stop, K-Right. Come up. Everyone say hi to Kingsley. Hi, Kingsley. So once you get that goal in your mind, you stay focused, you target it, and you go for it. Like you hit the pavement run. It's called pounding the pavement. That's what you gotta do. Like I literally, you guys, my editor can tell you, I woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock in the morning. I would get online from 2 to 5 o'clock, and I would ask everybody I could find to subscribe to my channel. Everyone. And he'd be like, what are you doing? Why are you up? I was like, I'm up because I gotta get people to subscribe to this channel. He'll tell you, like, I was committed to this. I start something, I finish it. Anyway, so that's what I did, right? I got maybe like 500 or 600 people at that point. Like literally, this is just Facebook, Instagram, and I'm gonna throw Snapchat, Twitter in there. My WhatsApp channel, my WhatsApp page, I also did that too. And I just started asking people to share my channel with other people. Like a lot of my friends, I would ask them like, hey, could you post my channel on your page? And I also would find people that had a lot of like followers. So if I had friends who had a lot of followers, I was like, hey, listen, could you, post my link on your stories and stuff like that, especially the one that had a swipe up feature. Oh, I would reach out to them, please do me this favor, please, and they would be so kind to do it for me, right? So anyway, I did that. So that's how I got to me like 800 or 900 subscribers. But let me tell you the key to me, well, 2 keys that helped me. I don't know what it is about LinkedIn, but everyone on LinkedIn like subscribes to my channel. I think when I checked the analytics, when it came to like LinkedIn, I had almost like 700 people for my LinkedIn channel, for my LinkedIn page to subscribe to my channel. Like LinkedIn people are like loyal people. Like they are amazing. Like absolutely amazing people. Like I don't know why people are so adamant about LinkedIn, but like they were great. Like I didn't have an issue. I mean, I don't know what it was, but LinkedIn was it for me to help me get to my 1,000 subscribers. So, Casey, why are you numbing on my hands? Why are you numbing on my hands? Y'all, shout out to Kingsley parents. They allowed me to babysit. And you guys, Kingsley's gonna have a channel soon too. Oh, look like I'm choking him. Y'all, Kingsley's gonna have a channel soon. I'm so excited. I'm gonna definitely share with you guys when his parents post his videos and stuff out. So you guys gonna see him on the YouTube. He's gonna be famous. I said it here. But anyway, back to me, Kingsley. No longer about you. So anyway, Kingsley, what are you doing? So anyway, from that point, another thing that I did was, you know how on YouTube when you go to like the filter, first of all, I'm a travel and lifestyle niche channel, right? My channel is all about travel and lifestyle. Right? So what I did was I started following a lot of people who were like really big with the travel or whatever, right? So I started following them, and then what I did was I placed the filter where, you could do like the most like relevant or the most like recent videos that they posted. As soon as they post a video, I would watch it. As soon as I finished watching it, I would find some key thing within their video, make a question, post it to their comment section, and tag my link. Because people are always interested in seeing new things. And I lied to you not, like it worked for me. Like I think I probably got like 400 or 500 subscribers just from that. And I still do it to this day. But now I feel like the algorithm is kind of like helping me now, like getting subscribers, because like it seems like every 2 to 3 weeks, like I be hitting like 1,000 subscribers. Like we had 4,087 subscribers already. Like I was like at 3,000 like 2 weeks ago. I'm at 4,000 now. We about to head on over to that 5G. That 5G, baby. So if you have not subscribed to the Vaugh Show, make sure you subscribe to the Vaugh Show, please. Woo! So I feel like I'm kind of like maybe falling to the algorithm a little bit. But let me tell you something. It is something about being monetized. It's like the light come on. It's like, ah. That's what it feels like like, you feel like the light come on, it's like you're officially official. Like commercials, it's like, oh, you got the commercials. But anyway, so that's how I got to the 1,000 subscribers. That's what I did. So that's my little bit of advice. Down to the watch hours. Now the watch hours, I will say, was the hardest part. I think for me, I constantly check my analytics to see like what people were watching, how long they were watching the videos, what they were interested in based upon my channel. So what I noticed the most, that people were interested in the videos in which I started my series. So like when I went to Nigeria, the very first video, the very first video of Dubai, the very first video of Zanzibar, people were interested in that. Like people, like those introduction that my editor did a bomb job on, an amazing job. People were very interested on that because we realized that the introduction to the series of what we were doing had to be something like an eye-catching thing. Him and I, we sat down, went back and forth about it, back and forth about it, back and forth about it, and I was like, hey, the intro to any series that we do have to be bomb.com, and he would hit it every single time. Like I would give him my vision and he was like, okay, cool, okay, cool, okay, cool. A week later, he like, Paul, boom, here you go. And I mean, like this Zanzibar one, just, we were in Zanzibar and I was like, hey, listen, I really need this video to make it feel like I fell in love with Zanzibar. I really need to feel that. Like, and he was like, well, tell me more about it. We sat maybe like an hour and a half and I was just really just spitting him my ideas of like what I wanted, like the concept. That video got over 5,000 views and I think we had got like 1,000 subscribers off that video. But anyway, in regards to the watch hours, you have to pay attention to you have to pay close attention to your analytics. So those were the key things for me. So once I realized that, like I started pushing those videos out more to people. Like I specifically pushed those videos out to people to get my watch hours. I realized that people would watch at least about 4 to 5 minutes of my videos, right? At least 4 to 5 minutes. So I try to keep my videos within that time limit. But however, I had a sponsorship I had to do for this recent video of growing up in the South video, and it was an hour video, right? So I don't know what it was. I honestly think it was my mom that really helped us get the channel like over to monetization, because everyone kept reaching out to me like, oh, your mom was hilarious. I love your mom. She's amazing. And so shout out to my lovely mother. She will be in the channel shortly. I'm just working out her contract because my mom is a hustler and she about her money. Okay? Yeah. So my mom will be in the channel at some point in time. But I think what I noticed was that people, when I checked my analytics, when it came to this very last 1 hour video, that got us over the hump. Because I think we had got over, I don't know, maybe I think it was 2,000 watch hours off this one video that people were so much interested in. And it was just about my life and me growing up as a kid, and I called my mom and her and I had a really good, interesting conversation. People are very interested in that. And that was really got us over the hump to get our watch hours. So it was a hit for us. It just was a hit video. It was what it was. So make sure you guys, if you haven't checked out that video, it's going to be somewhere on the screen here. I'm going to post it, or it's going to be in the link someplace, but you'll see it. Make sure you check out that video. My mom is in it. She's very hilarious, lovely, sweet woman. But you're going to see more of my mom. I promise you guys will see more of my mom. So at this point, it's like April 15th, because I think it's my editor's birthday. Like we were like 1 hour away from being monetized. I think it was like 3,99999 or something like that. And I'm like, come on, YouTube. Like it seemed like YouTube had updated like at midnight and at 12 o'clock at noon. We just kept watching. So ended up the next day, we ended up hitting the 4,000 watch hours, right? We was just very excited. So at this point, we had to apply to be monetized or whatever. So I hit the apply button. I did my Google Accent account. I did all the 3 steps they asked me to do, 2 steps they asked me to do, and then your channel goes into review. So I'm thinking like it's gonna take us like 2 to 3 weeks, and he's knocked out sleep, y'all. I think it's gonna take us like 2 to 3 weeks to get monetized, right? It literally took us, I think, 3.5 days to get monetized. I will never forget it. I was at work, and something was like, you know, let me go to my YouTube channel, you know, let me go to YouTube and see if like we got monetized. I clicked the manage videos, and then I clicked the monetization button, and I saw the whole switch of the screen, and then I got a notification on my phone. Oh, congratulations, you have been approved for monetization. I literally jumped up and I had to catch myself. And so my boss was like, are you okay? I'm like, yes, I'm fine. So I grabbed my phone, I grabbed my office keys, I ran onto like the garden area, and I called my editor. I was like, guess what? He's like, what? I was like, we got monetized on YouTube. So he was like screaming, and I was screaming, like we were so happy. It was like one of the best moments in our lives. It was like, it was one of those moments that you achieved because you stayed focused, you stayed driven. Like me staying up to 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning was absolutely worth it. So I'm excited to be monetized. I feel my channel is 100% official now, because without the ads, you kind of feel like in limbo. But I feel very much official. But as you can see, look at my place. So, as you can see, this is going to be the YouTube studio for the Vaugh Show, or my sit-down videos. This is my lovely home. I've always been talking about, you know, like making like a really official YouTube studio. So this is gonna be my YouTube studio going forward. And you're gonna see a video about me putting my apartment together. Shout out to Wayfair. But you'll see that video shortly of me putting my apartment together, putting things together. I had help or whatever, like picking furniture and stuff like that for the apartment. But if you guys have any questions, please email us at thevaughnshow@gmail.com. Leave your comments below. I'm more open to continue the conversations. How you got monetized. Like, I would love to hear your story and we can continue the conversation. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Say Kingsley, say bye Kingsley. Kingsley like, I'm sleeping. Don't wake me up, leave me alone. Bye guys.